Friends, a very good morning to all of you. This is Abhijit, and yesterday, if you remember, we had a discussion on Nifty and Bank Nifty as how or what they could be performing in coming few days. You can clearly see the lines that we had drawn yesterday, the one at 24,200 and the one here at 24,800. We had discussed about the levels of 24,850 and 24,200. If you remember, we had clearly told that if the entire bull move is eaten up and we break 24,200, in all probability we will be going somewhere around 23,800. So, and that is what exactly Gift Nifty is indicating. Gift Nifty is indicating a 300 or somewhere around that kind of opening, where we are opening around by 300 or 400 points. This has majorly happened because of rates cut by Fed. But whatever be the reason, we being technical analysts, we do not think much on such factors. We are mostly concerned about the level. So as of now, if you ask me, the 200-day SMA 23,800, this is going to be the level which we could be looking at. And one, if that is taken away, then once again 23,300 could be the level to watch out. So these two would be the levels which we will be looking at in coming few days, or maybe either today or tomorrow. But yeah, after this kind of a breakdown, there would be a clear suggestion that don't short at this kind of a breakdown, right? Because the risk reward is not favorable at all. If you ask me, the risk reward could be favorable at around, could be a buy at around 23,800. But again, don't just go out and start buying when it touches 23,800. Let buying resume, because if you also understand, the overall trend in the Indian market is still up. So whatever happens, these kind of pullbacks, they are good opportunities for you to get your hands on good stocks. So, and not only that, if you are into charts, you will also see that most of the stocks, they are showing up good structures for coming few days. They are coming out of good consolidation structure. So the future is good. So there is nothing to panic. Yeah, there can be some short term turbulence, 400, 500 points, maybe even 1,000 points of gap down or down moves for the index. But in the longer term, you will definitely see the index going up and giving you good rewards. You just need to keep patience through these turbulent times, right? So now today we need to keep in mind the level of 23,800, and on the upside now 23,200, or rather say 24,480 or 60, these kind of levels, or 24,500, let's say rounded figure, 24,500 levels, if they are taken away, then you can see a good move. Till that time, we will be mostly on a sell on rise mode. But again, today I'll instruct that don't short at the gap down. Let a rise come, then we will see. We were anticipating a recovery in the second half, but that did not happen. That did not happen. So there was clear indication that we should not be carrying longs in such situation. Today also we have to stick to that. And then let's talk about Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, as we had discussed yesterday also, that this has been bullish, but now, as of now, if you ask me, there are two levels which we would be discussing. The first one is this 51,800, and the second level is just at the top of this gap, which is 51,100. So you can note down the levels: 51,800 and 51,100. 100. If all these levels are taken away, then 200 SMA, which lies somewhere around 50,400. So these would be the levels which we would be talking about. However, if you ask me, again, Bank Nifty is more dependent on ICICI Bank, and ICICI Bank, if you ask me, it looks very bullish. The structures are very good. ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank, yesterday also we had discussed that it has come out after a big consolidation. So maybe somewhere around this level you could find some recovery in HDFC Bank. So if HDFC Bank recovers, you can definitely see good recovery in the index. So whatever you are trading in the index, keep an eye on these two stocks specifically, and this will help you out. So nothing much to worry. Even after 300-400 points of gap down, there could be a wild swing, maybe in the first 15-30 minutes or maybe in 1 hour, but at some point definitely the market will stabilize, and it will have to come up and fill those gaps. So my suggestion for today, don't panic. If you have cash positions, leave it as it is. There could be some notional loss, but at some point of time in future, you will definitely see good profit. Just hold on to these turbulent times. So this is it for today. We'll meet again. Bye bye. Take care.